Get to the outside, keep up. Okay, but we're gonna cut into the back. Oh, you bastard.
Here we go. We gotta rock. Easy come, easy go. Now we on top. Feel the shot. Party rock. Rocking no stop.
Nice.
All around though.
Clark wins! I'm keeping my eyes adjusted. Sure.
Dude, there's one over there. Hold on, Clark's checking.
We got a handgun with no clip in it and nothing else. Can't find it. I can't find anything in there.
Alright, we gotta keep moving. Hungry? There's one right here. There's one right there. No, there was one over here.
Don't worry, you will be changed. Hey, he's blind.
Right there. Watch it out. I touched your hand. Wait, Andrew. No. What the heck?
Yo, he's dead!
We got Adam. Well, at least Clark and Nick. Oh, Clark's back. Clark's dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Nick wins!
That corner, there he is, right there.
Go, Adam, he's right there. I spotted him. Yeah, why am I gonna shoot him from out there? He's not fucking run to go get the ammo! Oh. Yo, Mike!
Go ahead, concentrate on me.
I can't get in.
Okay, then.
What? Safety. Oh no, I'm going to
Got him. No, go that side, that side, that side, that side, that side. Now it's getting interesting. So if you need help. You're down. You're down. Right here. Come on, here, there's another for you. Want some more?
You touched my knife, not me.
Got you. You alright?
That's hot though. That's hot though.
1, 2, 3.
Get my arm, Mikey.
You lucky fucker.
Here we go.
Safety.
Get in here, man.
Clark,
What?
are you dead?
No.
Is there zombies in there?
No. I have an M16, but I can't lose it.
Back. 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 Back.
I don't have any.
Yeah, I see you doing wherever that was.
Here, back.
And this is gonna
Hold that.
jam.
Just hand me the mag. Loading one of these back. Fucking annoying.
Get
I got
out,
Dave.
dude.
I know.
Back to the truck.
I got your leg.
You can.
Are you Beth wins?
Yeah. She wins.
Alright, cool, baby.
That's what I'm